go pull rocks back and Zach grab them. We're gonna show them how it's done, just like your shirt says. This is the way.
None. Right here. Oh, yep, they're getting it.
Careful, don't smash his hands.
Where are your feet?
Look at your toes. Could have made your dang toes. Oh, he was. He went there. He was.
Oh, wait,
See, I
oh my
told you
God.
he was under your foot. I told you. I followed him right under your foot.
Put the crab on like that, and then we just take this rubber band. And around other side of the carapace like that. And we'll see if this can catch fish.
Want some roe?
Oh, what is that?
Fresh fish eggs. You can eat that.
Really?
Mmm.
Where's the caviar?
What's this thingy?
There, you want some?
Is this a female?
Yeah, it's a female. The other one was a male.
How do you know?
Because looks like it had a pee-pee.